All right, you guys on camera. Here we go. Got the garlic parmesan garlic parmesan fries, and
all right,
wings.
Don't make
and
it go.
we got Chantel and Mr. Cody,
aka Caramel.
aka.
She ain't gonna let that one go.
AKA Caramel.
And Game O Kev.
And Game O Kev.
Game O with Kev.
Game O with Kev.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, you saw him on the video. We were doing this dish together. So here we
Hook me
go.
up. She knows she gonna
They
brag.
trying it for you guys.
Look how she looking.
And we got Baby
really?
Jade. I don't know.
Hey.
Hey. What's that? Oh.
May I have some sauce, please? Salt.
You don't need no dish.
No salt.
Leave me alone.
Salty enough.
Oh, sauce, man.
You want some?
So, as you guys already know, when you saw the video, this is gonna be 2 separate videos. But
Okay.
as you guys already know, the video I use.
Thank
You
you.
need some salt, and you keep scooping all the fries.
Does that eat like we're hungry?
Go ahead, eat. I know.
You were saying something about the
I
video?
used some frozen fries that I got. They were Kroger fries or whatever fries they were, but I seasoned them up. Some butter, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, garlic, parsley, and we took it to another level with that. And then we got those Harissa wings right there. Those are North African spice.
Okay.
You see my man over here,
You should get it from West Africa next time.
West Africa. I don't know West African spices. You didn't bring no West African spices back. You bought me a T-shirt.
That's it. At least you got that. I ain't get nothing. Nothing.
And then he said he gonna go back and get the rest of the T-shirt.
What's up with that,
I
Kel?
can't wear a crop top. All this belly going on.
You're working on the rest of the shirt.
Okay.
Can you reach him one of them wings? I don't want to reach over you.
Well, how is it?
I'm good.
Keep.
See about these wings.
Okay. I know, right? And we work. You want to add more Parmesan cheese?
I need mine cut.
That'll work. Thank you.
Who can cut my chicken?
You need your hand.
Hands.
Use your fingers. Break it off.
That's right. Exactly. They come off really
Good
easy,
job.
right? Yeah.
That's good.
Okay.
That is spicy.
It's spicy. You got the spice already? You didn't even put it in your mouth. You got the spice. You smelled it. It was spicy. We're gonna run to the juice.
These fries are on point.
They are. All of
That's the
it.
best thing on the plate. The fries.
All of it.
I ain't made it to
Thank
chicken
you.
yet.
Look, he got me with this on.
Your drink is all gone. You need another one? You want some water? We'll get you some water. Wait, no, I'll get you some water. You be alright. Keep eating. We'll get you some water. Those some good wings, right? They're crispy. The skin is crispy. It's
They come
seasoned.
apart.
For them to be baked too? Oh yeah.
Next time I'll make a dipping sauce, but yeah, I was thinking of making a dipping sauce, but Cody was driving us around town all day, so I'm like, there you go.
Slide that way.
I don't hear anything.
Tipsy chef.
Thank you.
To the tipsy chef.
Thank you.
Try and get tipsy with that chef.
Hi.
There goes the spice.
Oh, you You like it, Javon?
The baby.
What about you gotta eat the wings, boo?
You see them bones? You got a chicken boneyard developing over there. I like to see that. A chicken boneyard.
So you want us to eat it off the bone, or do I like to pick it off?
We're not gonna go there.
I two fingered.
Judgment free zone right here. Do whatever you want.
I gotta be out. Everybody gotta accept me for all the masses. So
Okay.
you know how.
I'm gonna be like Kev.
You know how we do. We like, all you got is bone. The cartilage and everything is missing, and it's all you got is just a bone. But people don't eat chicken like that all the time.
No.
But you're gonna eat chicken like that because it's
Spicy though.
That means you don't want no hot sauce.
all right. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys coming out and enjoying my meal on Tipsy Chef.
Y'all know I don't talk
I
much.
appreciate you.
All right.
Yes. I'll see you guys next time.
Yes.
Tipsy Chef.
Next time.
Okay. Yeah, we gonna invite Miss Chantel to come here. It's been a long time.
And we're gonna put that pinky up too.
Yeah. Yeah, when I'm serving tea. I don't know if that's gonna happen, but
You have a napkin.
Turn the camera off.